Hello fellow 3D enthusiast, my name is Ian, and today I wanted to share more about another tracking setting with you. Now if you're new here, for the past few videos I've been on a bit of a crusade to help people understand better how the tracker works. I myself have been woefully ignorant in this subject, so I figure if I share what I've learned about it, other people will also be able to benefit from that. So today we're talking about the weight setting, and you can see it up here, you can see it over here. Once again, this panel is the default settings. This panel is for a specific tracking marker. So this marker and this marker have different settings on this panel. But that said, what can we use the weight setting for? Well, if we play through here and take a good look at this tracking marker, you can see that there is some digital noise in this shot, and it's kind of making this tracker a little bit jumpy. That's mostly rotational movement, but I think there is quite a bit of movement on the location too, which we really don't want. So what we can do, if we want to keep this, but we want to give it less influence in the final camera track, we can turn down the weight of it. So depending on how jittery this is, we might want to turn it down more or less, and that just means when we finally go over into our solve panel and try to figure out how to solve the camera, if this has less weight and it's a little bit jittery, it'll have less influence on the final solve and won't mess it up. So yeah, that's the weight setting. If you found this useful and you're interested in learning more about visual effects in Blender, I've created a completely free video for you that goes over 5 different tips on how to integrate your CG creations into real-life footage. And if that sounds interesting to you, there's a link in the description. Go ahead and give that a click. But I'd say we're done here. I hope you have an excellent day, and cheers!